My name's Dave. Started working at HRCT about, give or take 2 years ago. Install tech for cabling, IT systems, cameras, things like that. Day to day, I do structured cabling, so pulling cabling for different pieces of equipment, install racks, install cameras, MVRs, door access equipment, strikes, things like that. Some things I like about my job is I'm working with my hands every day. I'm not one of the type of people that can sit behind a keyboard. I have to be doing something. Things that I do in my role that set me apart and HRCT apart is I have experience from the Navy, retired Navy, set 20 years, have electrical experience, been a conduit, things like that. So with my experience with that, I'm able to provide better pathways for cabling and things that a lot of people don't think about as far as getting things where they need to go. When I'm not working, I enjoy riding motorcycles, woodworking, automotive mechanics, pretty much anything to do with my hands or just being out on the open road. For potential clients, what sets myself and our HRCT apart from other companies is we like to take care of our customers from start to finish. We make sure that what we do, the customer is excited about. Once we get done, we show them what we've done, make sure they like it. And if not, then we'll go back and try to remediate as much as possible.